Hey everyone, Reuben here from TRRacing, and today's a big day. We've teamed up with Mike from Diesel and Turbocharger's New Plymouth and Garrett Advancing Motion to unveil something seriously exciting.
That's right, Reuben. In this box here we've got Garrett's latest drop. It's the new G30 725 horsepower Series 2 turbocharger from Garrett Advancing Motion. This is built for serious street performance and it's going on the TRRacing R32 street machine.
Right Mike, let's see what we've got on these boxes. I'm pretty excited to see what we've got here.
Yeah, no, me too, mate. Let's have a look. So one of the unique things about the Garrett G series is that you can customize your setup and you get the compressor, cover and core in whatever configuration you may require, and then depending on boost response and the size of your engine and a few other bits and pieces, you then make a decision on your turbine housing, which come in a variety of different options from T3 flange or V-band flange, V-band outlet, and of course each different frame size has between 3 and 4 different AR ratios, so that gives you just basically another option when you're trying to work out where the turbo is going to spool. So yeah, we'll move on to talking a little bit about the features and benefits of these turbos.
Let's talk power and precision. The G30 725 Series 2 takes everything we love about the original and dials it up even better. Better response, improved aerodynamics and even more durability.
Absolutely, Reuben. It's got a fully machined compressor housing, a lightweight aluminium center section, and Garrett's new Gen 2 aerodynamics for the compressor, featuring 10% extra flow and an easy upgrade pathway as the turbine housing is compatible with both Series 1 and Series 2. The housing for the turbine is stainless steel, and the alloy is a new high-tech alloy for the turbine. Both give you sustainability up to 1050 degrees C. So this is built for maximum boost without compromise.
And check this out, the compact frame packs a 725 horsepower rating, which is crazy for how small and responsive it is. The perfect match for a street-driven R32 or even a more serious track build if you're wanting to go that way.
Plus you've got a water-cooled core, you've got dual ball bearing technology for better heat and thermal management. So whether you're building a weekend weapon of mass destruction or a full-time track car, this turbo's got the goods.
We've thrown this on the newly built TRRacing R32 street machine. Mike's going to work his magic on the dyno, pushing it to see just what this Garrett can do. You'll want to follow along, we're expecting massive gains.
A big thanks to the guys at Garrett Advancing Motion for making this possible and bringing next gen Series 2 power to TRRacing. So if you're chasing the same kind of performance, give us a shout out at Diesel Turbo in New Plymouth. We'll get you sorted.
New builds, new boost, same obsession.
Stay tuned.